how to avoid long surveys, boring questionnaires, and frustrating customer interviews. Meet Celia. Yes, meet Celia, the head of consumer and marketing insights at a big brand. I don't want to take the name of the brand. Yes, Celia is analytical. Celia is analytical and she always seeks ways to improve her market understanding. She is also very creative. She is always looking for new ways to reach her audience. Finally, she is patient. She is patient and she takes the time to understand her audience need before proposing solutions. But Celia, like many of you, is facing two significant dilemmas. Yes, two significant dilemmas. Number one, Celia wants to stay ahead of the competition, but she is still determining how to replace these boring surveys, questionnaires, and frustrating customer interview calls. Number two, Celia heard about AI-powered listening tools, but she needs help. She needs help getting started. Now she is reading industry blogs and she is staying up to date with the latest trends. Yes, she is doing everything. She is researching new products and services to offer her audiences. And yes, she is analyzing customer feedback data to understand what they need next. But as usual, key barriers are cost. Number one, cost. Number two, time commitment. Number three, fear of unknown. Number four, lack of trust or confidence in the interviewer or surveyor. And number five, difficulty understanding the questions or instructions. For Celia and like her, many of you, let me bottom line this for you. AI-powered listening. Yes, AI-powered listening is one of the most exciting new ways to discover your customers. It allows you to listen to many conversations to understand what people are talking about and how they think. Over the last 18 years, I have worked as a business and content strategist for some of the world's leading companies like Ernst & Young, ING, and Deutsche Bank. In the last time, I have learned much about what works and what doesn't when creating compelling research using my semantic AI skills, and with my proprietary empathy audience persona score. We are leveraging data. Yes, we are leveraging data with AI-powered listening. With AI-powered listening to create consumer-first, high ROI insight using semantic AI. Type score in the comments below and I will send you my free PDF that shows the difference between semantic AI. Yes, that shows the difference between semantic AI insights and traditional boring research methods.